Karnataka. This is with regards to the Karur Stampede tragedy. 3 TVK administrators have now appeared before the CBI in Karur today for questioning in connection with the Karur Stampede incident. The CBI has been conducting inquiries since October 7. This, remember, after the Supreme Court sent out a directive for the CBI to take over the investigation. They've been questioning people from various backgrounds, including the public, traders, police personnel, ambulance drivers and vehicle owners as part of the ongoing investigation. What we can tell you is that 3 TVK members, administrators, have appeared before the CBI today with regards to questioning with regards to the Karur Stampede that took place. CBI, in fact, began its probe on October 17 itself, and today itself, CBI officials who have been probing this case since last month, they have also been interrogating members of the public, even traders who were all present at the Stampede site when the Stampede happened. Let's quickly go across to Purnima Murli, who brings us those breaking inputs. Purnima, what are you learning of the line of questioning with regards to these 3 TVK administrators that met the CBI today? Also, we are being told some documents were being examined by the CBI. Could you share more information about these documents?
Well, the CBI began investigations from the 17th of October, and what we are given to understand is that a CBI officer had even gone to the TVK headquarters located in Chennai, collected certain documents, and they requested for CCTV and visuals of the Karur rally. Remember, the TVK time and again reiterates that only an independent probe can bring out the truth. Therefore, the CBI also wanted to collect some visuals of the Karur rally that was organized by the TVK, because DMK points fingers at the TVK. So investigation continues. We'll have to wait and see how the investigation pans out. But TVK officials also meeting representatives of the TVK, the legal representatives, to understand their point of view and what their allegations are as far as the Karur Stampede is concerned.
Many thanks to you, Purnima, for bringing us all those inputs on that news story.